Hey there, welcome to 3735 101st Avenue in Pinellas Park, the Mainlands. Come on inside, let's have a look. Welcome to this amazing house, which, you know, Yordor did it.
Yeah, it's a Yordor project from start to finish.
Yeah.
And thanks to our designer Stella for amazing selections throughout the home. I think it's getting rave reviews already. So we spent several $1,000s blowing out a giant wall here that blocked the whole view of the lake you're going to see in a second, which now when you walk in the home, that's all you see. But that takes, months of work that some people might not be patient for if they're flipping a house, but we're happy to take that on with permitting, engineering, getting structural beams created, installing those new footers to support that, and then we think that everybody agrees the end result is worth all that.
The other thing that I felt like needed to happen here was the kitchen could be massive. It was very small before, but it could be much larger and much more grand if we would take part of this wall back.
Yeah, so we tore down 2 walls, boxing the kitchen in, making it dark, ugly drop ceiling from the 70s or 60s or whatever. We raised the ceiling up in that location and put in a 28 foot beam. This is a brand new construction house. Block house, super solid, well built, but just obsolescences in design.
Yes, so now you have a proper master, which you don't have to step over into the shower. It's not a zero entry, but it's close to a zero entry. You have a full double vanity. You have beautiful finishes. You have amazing tile. I mean, for me, it just doesn't get any better than this for this community. So
Correct.
We're hoping that it's an aspirational home for others that are located in the Mainlands or any other retirement community for that matter. But we really wanted to do something special and unique for this property. It deserves it. All these properties deserve it.
Right.
They need to be put forward into a new era. This is going to be the showcase of what's possible for some of these properties. We're calling this the HIATT collection.
Nice.
Yeah, that's in honor of my mother. Her name was Wanda HIATT. We hope you come and enjoy the HIATT collection. Come and see it, it's amazing. You can have it too. You can either buy this one, you can buy this one or you can hire you
We can do another
to fix
one.
it. Yeah, we can do yours.
Everyone's unique.
Yeah, so whatever you're looking for, we have it. We have all kinds of inventory. This one happens to be incredibly priced at $425,000. We have lots of other inventory ranging all the way up to $26 million. So we have everything in between. So please call us anytime. We're happy to help you, whether it's a construction project or it's a real estate project, development project, whatever you're into, we are into with you. Please call us anytime. My name is Lisa Erickson with Lisa Erickson Group. This is
Matt Erickson with Yordor. Pleasure.